everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Twinkl's AI tool to create comprehension questions based on a text. Welcome to our AI series. I would like to share with you how you can use Ari, Twinkl's friendly AI assistant. This tool will give you everything that you need for quick inspiration to free up your time so you can invest more of your energy into teaching. So once you're on the Ari AI assistant homepage, you can go onto prompt filters and click on ECT and trainee teachers. Once you click on that, you will see all of the prompts that are suitable for trainee teachers and ECTs, and you're going to just click on this one which says create comprehension questions for my text. Once that you've clicked on that, you will see it says copy and paste the text that you want questions for. I'm going to copy and paste an extract from Matilda by Roald Dahl, and then it says what year group are these questions aimed at. I'm going to type in year 4. What format should the questions be? For example, multiple choice, one sentence answers, or open answers. I'm going to put a mixture of all these. What is the reading age? They are ages 8 to 9. And how many questions do we want? I want 10 questions. And what question types do you want? For example, inference, retrieval, vocabulary, etc. I'm going to put a mixture. And then you will see it is now generating the questions. So we're just going to wait for that to finish. Let's have a look at the questions. So you can see there is a mixture. So you've got a multiple choice question here. At what age did Matilda teach herself to read? And there's some options there. You've got a true or false. Matilda learned all the recipe from the Easy Cooking book by heart. You've got an inference question here. Why do you think Matilda wanted something more interesting to read than the Easy Cooking book? Got another multiple choice, another open-ended. You've got a vocabulary, retrieval, inference. You've got a good mixture of questions here, which just would make your life so much easier than having to think of the questions yourself. Also, you are given an answer key too, which will make your marking a lot more easier. It's important that if you decide to use Twinkl's AI tool, that you use it as a starting point, and it must be adapted. AI can provide you with a great foundation to get you started on the many tasks that you have as a teacher, but you need to make sure that you aren't relying on the AI tool to do all of the work for you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. If you need any more ideas on how to use AI to help you in your teaching, check out the link in the description below. Bye!